Welcome to Business Sensor ERP. In this video, we'll be learning how to use the repair booking feature in Business Sensor ERP software. From booking a customer repair request to approving and concluding it. Once the software loads the home page, go to the Activities module, then select Repair Booking. A drop-down will appear. Select Book a Repair. The customer repair booking form opens. The first field on the form is Type of Client Repair. Click the drop-down and you'll see two options, Internally Supplied and External Client. The internally supplied option is used when the item to be repaired was purchased from your business, while externally supplied is used when the item was purchased elsewhere. Let's look at the difference. When you select Internally Supplied, the form loads an additional section called Internal Supply Repair Detail. But when Externally Supplied is selected, this section doesn't appear. For this tutorial, we'll continue with Internally Supplied. In the Internal Supply Repair Detail section, the first field is Invoice Number on Purchase. Enter the invoice number from the customer's proof of purchase. Then click Find to load the invoice information. The details of the purchase will appear in the Purchase Invoice Description section. Next, in the Item to Repair field, select the specific item that needs to be repaired from the drop-down list of items on that invoice. Then, mark the In Warranty checkbox if the item is still under warranty, or leave it unchecked if it's out of warranty. Next is the Repair Details section. In the Repair Department field, select the department that will handle the repair. Then, under Client to Bill, select the client from the drop-down list. If the client doesn't exist in the list, click Add New at the bottom of the drop-down to create a new client record. In the To Be Repaired By field, enter the name of the technician or staff responsible for the repair. Next, click on the Place Order for Parts button to request the spare parts required for the job. A sales order form will appear. Enter the details of the spare parts needed, then save. Once saved, the details of the requested parts will appear in the Part Order Detail section. The Spare Part Availability Status field will automatically update to show whether the requested parts are available or not. For this tutorial, let's assume the parts are available. You can save at this stage. The entry will now move to the Unapproved Repair booking list. To continue, open it again from that list and click the Edit icon. Now, go to the Conclusion section and click Approve. You'll notice the Approved checkbox becomes ticked and Create Invoice Bill button appears above the Repair Bill Detail field. You can save at this stage. The entry will now move to the Approved but Not Concluded booking list. To continue, open it again from that list and click the Edit icon. In the Technician Remark field, the repair technician can add comments or notes about the repair. Next, click the Create Invoice Bill button. You can process it as either a credit invoice or a cash invoice. Make any necessary adjustments to the invoice, then save. The details of this invoice will appear in the Repair Bill Detail section. Once the invoice has been created and settled, the Conclude button becomes active. Click Conclude to finalize the repair process. Then click Save. The entry will automatically move from the Unconcluded Repair Booking list to the Concluded Repair Booking listing interface. And that's how to use the repair booking feature in Business Sensor ERP. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials or to explore our full ERP suite, visit www.businesssensor.com.